The wind blows day and night. In the long term, we will benefit from the independence wind energy gives us. What would happen if there was a reliable source for the generation of energy? Completely environmentally friendly, without greenhouse gases, without risks, and in an area in which it bothers nobody. This chance is offered by offshore wind power. His passion for German engineering expertise, short decision-making paths, and the uniquely rapid pace of implementation that these permit are clear advantages for the innovative, medium-sized company Wetfeet and its partners. The first milestone for the Global Tech 1 wind farm was reached in 2001 with the submission of the building application to the Federal Maritime and Hydrographic Agency. The location of the Global Tech 1 wind farm is approximately 110 kilometers out from Cuxhaven in the German Bight, with the ideal ratio of possible water depth and wind conditions. High and stable wind speeds ensure optimal and profitable operation of the wind turbines. With an installed total output of 400 megawatts, the 80 wind turbines produce 1.6 billion kilowatt-hours annually. A sophisticated system for power transmission was developed to transport this energy. The entire plant is monitored and controlled by Wetfeet's central station in Wolfschlugen, near Stuttgart. Stop is Arriva Multibrid GmbH, production center of the offshore wind turbine M5000. Over 160 wind turbines will be built here over the next 3 years for Wetfeet. The first wind farm out at sea will be ready by 2012, comprising 80 turbines located 110 kilometers northwest of Cuxhaven. It generates 1.6 billion kilowatt-hours annually and provides 1 million people with clean energy. The last port of call on the tour is the Fraunhofer Rotorblade Test Facility in Bremerhaven. At the Institute for Wind Energy and Energy Systems Technology, researchers are testing a 70-meter-long Arriva Multibrid Rotorblade. They are simulating the immense challenges of operating out at sea to make sure that the materials and technology are fit to operate for at least 20 years. Our partner company, Strabag Offshore Wind GmbH, has developed a revolutionary gravity foundation with an unladen weight of over 5,000 tons that can be affixed in bodies of water at depths of up to 40 meters in an environmentally friendly and reliable manner. Strabag Offshore Wind GmbH acts as a general contractor in the process, helping to prevent interface problems to the greatest possible extent. Construction of the gravity foundation of the wind turbines will take place in the production facility established specifically for this purpose in Cuxhaven, in which 500 new jobs will be created in this first step. Another special feature is that the complete wind turbine will already be assembled and firmly installed on the foundation on land. Extensive test runs on land before being transported to the sea guarantee smooth and secure operation. A carrier developed specifically for this project, with a bearing load of over 8,000 tons, carries the completely installed turbine and ensures safe transportation to the location where it will be settled. The carrier is set up in such a way that it can operate up to a significant wave height of 2.5 meters. This ensures secure operation on over 300 days a year, and thus contributes to smooth construction of the wind farm without any delays. As an option, the tried and tested tripod foundation system, adapted to the ground conditions, can be used. On this, the foundation and the assembly of the wind turbine can be performed in several steps out at sea. Special crane ships are used here. In total, 80 turbines will be installed with an annual total output of 1.6 billion kilowatt-hours in the first construction stage. This means clean energy for over 1 million people and savings of 1.4 million tons of CO2 or 5 tons of nuclear waste each year. The turbines have a calculated lifespan of 20 years. Important components in the overall concept are the maintenance and service during operation. Depending on the weather forecast, the service work will be performed by helicopter or, in exceptional cases, by ship. Due to the distance to the wind farm, the helicopter offers considerably faster response times. Furthermore, the wind farm's own service platform guarantees prompt and speedy supply with spare parts. Plans are already being made for additional wind farms at sea. Each one of you is left in no doubt that the future has already begun. A future that is about sustainable, efficient energy generation.